Hello, this is Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website and it is a blog and it is a video channel, a YouTube video channel. So take your choice. I will put right down here the link to get to the blog to read today's article. The article that I want to reach you today is a quick article about it's a review of a Ring video doorbell. Has a camera built in. We've heard about it on all newscasts recently. It comes out and films your entire neighborhood. So if there's anything that's gone on in your neighborhood, the police can come to you and get a copy of what your doorbell saw going on in the neighborhood. It's a wonderful thing. It's a nice little doodad. It's a nice little article. It's a short read. It's not too rude, but it is a short read. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. If you will, like it, thumbs up, read the article, subscribe to the website if you would. If you will, thumbs up this particular video. Uh, there's a place right over here where you can hit a red square and subscribe to this video channel. Love it if you would do that. If you have any comments, make the comments below. As I said earlier, I've got a link down there so that if this video inspires you like it does so many thousands of people and you want to go read the video, read the article, then this is the easy way to do it. Just click on the website. I will see you later. Thanks. Bye.